And we're back for part 2, you guys. We're back for part 2. So what is part 2? We still need to do our reading and our writing. All right, so for reading, you should have listened to your story on Tuesday, right? So for today, you're going to read the story. Or if you read the story on Tuesday, then you're going to listen to the story today. And the link to listen to it is on Tuesday's reading assignment. Let me say that again. The link to listen to the story is on Tuesday's reading assignment, but I may post it to this one. We'll see. Okay, so homegrown butterflies. I love butterflies. 194. There. Okay, so you're going to read your story, all right? And then you are going to complete, let's see, I think you're doing 3 pages today. But remember, you guys have 27 days, so if it's too much, then adjust accordingly. Okay, so hold on, let me see. I'm opening our Google Classroom. I'm going to Miss Rudolph's 3rd grade class. I'm going to classwork. Oh. Okay. All right, so now we're completing, in our workbook, we're completing page 88 to 90. Yes, homegrown butterflies. Yep. Yes, good. Okay, that was from last week. I was like, wait, why is already page done? Because that was from a different day. All right, so 88 to 90. So with this page, we were looking at dictionary entries, which I think we actually looked at 2 weeks ago. So if you want to read the top with me, that would be great. Let's do some reading together. It says, any dictionary, you may find different meanings for a word. The correct meaning depends on the way that the word is used in a sentence. So you have to plug it in to see if it makes sense, okay? So for example, your directions say use the dictionary entry to answer each question. And this is the dictionary entry for the word duck, okay? So a duck can either be a noun, which is and I think Avery had told us that one day. It was a person, place, or a thing, or it can be a verb, which is something you do, like, when do we duck? We duck and cover. We do that a lot during our drills right here at school. We have to duck under the desk. Okay, so let's see. We can fool my brother if you duck under the table as soon as you see him. So how are they using this? Are we talking about a duck that quacks and swims in the water, or are we talking about to lower the head or bend down quickly? Now look, there's actually 2 definitions. To avoid or evade. I ducked the embarrassing question by bringing up another subject. A lot of us do that. All right, so this guy, he's ducking under the table, so he is lowering his head to bend down quickly. Duck means, and then you're just going to copy that, to lower the head or bend down quickly. Okay? All right, so you'll do 2, 3, and 4. All right, for page 89, you are going to look at the word, say the word out loud, study the letters in the word, write the word, check the word. So you can do the writing the word on your whiteboard if you would like, okay? So find the rhyming word, circle the word in each row that rhymes with the word in dark type or bold. So trap. Now, you can't really use the trick of looking for the end consonant because all of the end consonants are the same. But you could look at the end vowel and consonant, and that should help you. Okay? So trap, rip, tarp, or rap. And it, of course, is trap and rap. And I think you guys can do the rest of this alone, so I'm not going to do any more. All right, and then page 90, you are looking for the words that are misspelt in your paragraph, and you're just writing them correctly. Okay? You don't have to do the bottom, but you can if you want. So it says, write about a book you would like. Oh, you guys, I think you guys probably already have a lot of thoughts around this because we had a published author. And so, sorry you guys, there's just a big bang outside. Come here. Come here, Will. And so, I'm sorry. All right, so write about a book that... Write about a book that you would like to write. Use at least 4 spelling words in your description. Okay. And think about our published author that we just had. All right, sorry you guys. My dog got a little scared. Okay, so that's all we're doing with reading. Spend time on Raz Kids, you guys, over the break. Make sure you're reading on your level. Very important, on your level. Read and listen to your stories, okay? All right, our last assignment is our laws, which we're going to vote on today, by the way. So we're going to do paragraph, let's see, 3 for our laws today. So I'm going to do, remember my law is why, or that all people, I wish that there was a law that made all people own a pet because there's overpopulation in our society of pets, okay? So, and now the reason I'm also going to say is everybody should have to own a dog is because they do make you happy. They make you very happy. For me, they make me very happy. All right, so I'm going to indent. There should be a law requiring everyone to own a dog because, now I'm going to dot each one of my lines again. Okay, because dogs make people happy. Now I'm going to put a question in here just to vary my sentences again. Did you know that dogs are referred to as a man's best friend? Well, that's because they are great companions, another word for friends, for humans. And I'm going to put one with an exclamation mark. You should definitely get a dog even if it isn't a required law. Okay. All right. So I am done paragraph 3. If you want to finish your paper over the break, you certainly can. If you don't want to, we're going to be picking back up with paragraph 4 on our laws when we come back from our break. Okay. All right, you guys, please try to keep up with your gratitude calendar over the break. That is totally going to be up to you to do that. But there is no way that we are going to be able to remember 27 days worth of gratitude. All right, so try to keep up with your calendar. I'm going to try to keep up with mine. Yesterday, I took my dogs to the beach. So that was definitely dogs to the beach. Or I could even say, you know, the air quality was really nice out, so we were able to spend time outside. Yesterday was a big gratitude day because our climate is just getting so much better, and you know, I'm thankful for our firefighters. Probably I could write that on every day for the next 27 days, right? We're thankful for our firefighters. All right, you guys, I will see you at our Zoom, and that's our last instructional video for the month of September. All right, you guys, have a great day. Ask your parents if you're allowed to get outside. Find at least one thing to do to help somebody around the house, and be kind to your brothers and sisters. All right, you guys, see you at our Zoom. Bye.